Hello guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable ChatGPT 4.0 voice. So to do this is pretty simple. So here all I have to do is download your ChatGPT of course from your app store, and then here I want to go to shortcuts. So from shortcuts, you will have to search for ChatGPT in all shortcuts, and then right here go to ChatGPT, and here have your start voice conversation. So that's how you enable your ChatGPT 4.0 voice here in your iPhone. So I would want to do is add to my home screen and then place a random we can place random things here like this or this. So this is gonna be our custom button for ChatGPT. So let's just try something appropriate for this. So let's look for the speaker like this, actually just this, and let's add it right here, and there we go. So this will be enabled for ChatGPT 4.0 voice. So here, so it's going to be connecting as you can see, and it's going to connect, and then you'll be able to all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.